Depression is coming. Recession is coming. Hard times are coming. What are you going to do? You know what? Well, I do care about the state of the economy, the housing market. Care more about the sun being out today, actually. There's this. Recession has come before. Depression has come before. Civil war has come before. Hard times have been here before, and they'll be here again. But if we build our lives in a resilient way, we are better equipped to deal with whatever it throws at us. And I've got Tim Cook on today at 11 o'clock Central. We're going to talk about setting yourself up to endure through hard times and maybe even prosper. Join me. Links in the comments, not the comments, the links in the description.